Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the convection fan cover in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. For easier access, you can remove the oven door by using the flathead screwdriver to rotate the hinge locks forward. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Slide out the oven racks. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws to release the convection fan cover. To install the new convection fan cover, align it over the element and fan blade, then thread the two mounting screws to secure. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position. Then rotate the hinge locks back. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.